This is Bryce. Okay. Hey Jay, I'm still sitting 2 miles south of Sanford, and I've got a very large, would be a cone tornado. I can't see for sure that it's on the ground, but it's about 3 miles west of my location, moving off to the northeast. And we've got some pretty rapid rotation with it for sure. Are you talking to me, Jay? I can barely hear you. Okay, well, we still have, there are trees perfectly in my spot here, so I can't see the ground, but, this is large. Don't move. I've got 800 people watching. Don't move. Don't move. You know, Jay, if you're taking my stream right now, you can tell exactly what I'm seeing. It's just the tornado is barely moving, but we've got debris on the ground. It's a very large tornado moving off to the northeast. If you're in Roselle, you've got to get into your up a little bit here. Your video. Okay, look, just watch the road. We're good. Yeah. What do you do?